unleash your inner glow. Imagine the vibrant sunny days filled with bright yellow dandelion flowers. Picture yourself picking fresh dandelion greens, feeling refreshed and energized. And yes, glowing skin. Ah, the magic of nature. Hey, sunshine seekers, are you ready to ditch the dull and embrace your inner glow? Because today we're diving into the amazing world of dandelions. Yes, those pesky weeds in your backyard are actually superstars of the natural health world. Let's unlock the power of the dandelion. First up, vitamins. Dandelions are packed with vitamins A, C, K, and a whole bunch of minerals. It's like a natural multivitamin party in your mouth. Feeling sluggish? Need a detox? Dandelion is a natural diuretic. It can help flush out those toxins and give your liver a little love. Want that radiant, healthy skin? Dandelion can help with that too. Its antioxidants can help fight free radicals and give you that natural glow. Now, how do we harness this dandelion power? Let's make some dandelion tea and a delicious dandelion salad. Preparation instructions. Dandelion tea. 1. Gather. Pick fresh dandelion flowers, leaves, or roots. Make sure they haven't been sprayed with anything. 2. Clean. Wash them thoroughly. 3. Boil. Boil water. 4. Steep. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried dandelion or a handful of fresh dandelion to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. 5. Strain and enjoy. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon if you like. Dandelion salad. 1. Gather. Pick fresh dandelion greens. 2. Clean. Wash them thoroughly. 3. Chop. Chop the greens into bite-sized pieces. 4. Dress. Add your favorite salad dressing and enjoy. You can also add other veggies and fruits. You can also sauté dandelion greens like spinach. Add them to soups. Or even make dandelion root coffee. Get creative. But remember, always start with small amounts and listen to your body. And if you have allergies to ragweed or related plants, or if you are on medication, chat with your doctor first. Now, I want to hear your dandelion stories. Have you tried it? What amazing benefits have you experienced? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the dandelion love. Go out there and unleash your inner glow with the power of dandelion.